Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a great day. I am here with a unboxing review sort of thing. Big thank you to Mat for sending me this yet to be opened mattress topper. Thank you so much guys, really appreciate it. To try out. I'm kind of excited, you know. I have a mattress topper on my bed. So I have a queen size bed, and my mattress topper and mattress itself have been through a lot, and they have been with me for probably the majority of my life. They've been around for years. They're both from Macon Mattress, if it's still around, that bedding company, whatever it is. So I'm excited to give this a go because, you know, I never actually had the opportunity to be like, you know, let's go out and try a mattress and a bed, because like my parents just kind of, you know, bought the mattress and the mattress topper and I didn't have a say, you know, that's just how it is when you're a kid. So I'm excited. Like the mattress topper that I already have right now, it's a soft mattress topper, and I love soft beds, really do, but obviously it's kind of been ingrained with my body, so it's a bit uneven, but I'm excited to give this a go. I'm excited. Let's take it into the other room and open it up. So this is the mattress topper that I already have. As you can see, it's like, it's really nice and soft and I love it, but look, it's got some stains on it and I don't know where they came from, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. So I'm gonna quickly like take this off if I can. Oh, that was easy. Throw that on the side. Look at that. It even comes with a cute bag with like a handle. That's kind of sweet. Let's go. Yo, it almost like, it feels like a doona. Oh, oh, okay. Okay. That's different. That's really different. It loops under the, it loops. Okay, so the thing is, this is really firm. This mattress itself is really firm, which is why I need like a mattress topper, and that's why I have that one, because this one over here is like extremely soft. But this is like, this feels like a cloud. Hold on, what? Okay, so it's on. And now we give it a go. We test it out for the night and see how we go. See how we sleep. You know, I wonder though. I do wonder. I could probably put the original pillow top underneath this and then put this on top, so it'd be like extra comfort, you know? I don't know. We'll give it a go. We'll see how it goes tonight and go from there. If my back feels better in the morning, Bob's your uncle. We're just gonna make the bed first, you know? So I will say, just like a disclaimer, I normally have a mattress protector over the top, but it's in the wash, so I'm not filthy, it's fine. Just saying. Not gonna lie, like it tucks in. We're gonna ignore like my ability to tuck in shit, but like it tucks in well. It tucks in well, like you can't see it, so it's pretty good. Now it's time to see like how well it really goes, if it's comfortable or not, compared to my pillow top that I have. I'll see you in the morning. Bye! Okay, so it's been a week since trying the Muscle Mat mattress cover, pillow cover, mattress cover, and I could say, it's pretty great. It's pretty good. It's quite good. Not gonna lie though. I would be interested to see what it would feel like on top of my pillow top, like no pillow mattress top, which I had on before, because then I feel like I'd be like sleeping on a cloud. So if you want to, like, I'm not one firm mattresses, and unfortunately I have a firm mattress, which is why I have the pillow top on top of my mattress, because it just makes it more comfortable and it makes me feel like I am sleeping on a couch. So I took that off to see what it would feel like. Obviously the first night with the Muscle Mat cover, like mattress top, was something I had to get used to because I'm not used to firm mattresses. But after the first night, it felt so good to sleep on. I felt like I was sleeping on a hotel bed, and I love sleeping on hotel beds. I don't know why there's something about hotel beds that I like, but I just like sleeping on them because I feel like they're nice and soft, but they're also kind of firm. And so I spent the whole week obviously sleeping on top of the firm mattress with the Muscle Mat top, and it was really good. It was really nice, and I was really surprised because it's not a soft mattress. It's a cover that you put over the mattress, and it has a little bit of cushioning on it. So I wasn't expecting it to be good or like be soft or be comforting, but it was really comforting. It felt so good to go into bed and lay on top of it, and I don't know why. And I hate firm beds, and that's why I have the pillow top. But this would just made, throw out the pillow top. This just made my bed feel so good, and I slept amazing. I didn't wake up with any back problems, and I just didn't want to get out of bed. Like, it just made my sleep so much better than I expected. Like, I loved it. I wasn't expecting to like it because I was like, is this going to be up to the standard of the pillow top? But it was so much better than the pillow top. So much better, and I would highly recommend getting it. If you don't like very soft beds, but you know your mattress is a little bit too firm, this is a great option, and you can pack it up and you can take it anywhere with you. It's not big and clunky like a pillow top. It's something that you can just roll up, put it back in the bag, and then take it wherever you go. You've got a blowout mattress, you can take it camping, you can take it anywhere, and it's amazing. Like, your sleep will be so much better, and your body will love you for it too. Like, mine's a queen size, and it fits perfectly over my bed, and my sheets fit perfectly over the top of it, which you can see. So I would highly recommend it. And yeah, as I said, you can take it anywhere. You don't have to just keep it on your bed. You can take it wherever you go. Go to a hotel room, go to a friend's house, wherever you want to go, you can just pack it up, take it with you, and put it on top of the bed. And it's simple as that, and you get a really good night's sleep afterwards. I highly recommend getting one if you have trouble sleeping, you don't feel comfortable in your bed, or you just need a bit of a change. Simple as that. I would highly recommend. So thank you so much for Muscle Mat for sending me that mattress top. I greatly appreciate it. I fucking love it. I'm going to be using it all the time, and don't forget to check them out. Thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. All my links are definitely below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!